Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we walk through the syllabus for the Cisco. Designing the Cisco Cloud Exam. Use this guide to plan study time and focus on the highest value topics. The Cisco. Designing the Cisco Cloud Exam covers 6 domains with specific weights. Mobility infrastructure 27%, management and performance 17%, wireless site survey 15%, wireless security 15%, high availability and redundancy 14%, and wired infrastructure 12%. Each domain includes a focus area, difficulty rating, estimated learning time and assessment style. I will summarize what you need to learn in each domain and highlight the important topics to master. Mobility infrastructure is weighted at 27%, is rated hard, and has an estimated learning time of 40 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessments. You will learn advanced design of roaming, high-density client environments and mobility groups in complex architectures. Study high-density wireless design topics such as RX-SOP, optimized roaming, client link and clean air, and optimizing data rates and beacon intervals. Then design mobility and roaming with Layer 2 and Layer 3 roaming, mobility anchors, guest anchoring and intercontroller roaming. Finally, cover mesh and Flex Connect design including outdoor mesh solutions, Flex Connect local switching, convergence and wrap and map placement to ensure survivability and performance. Management and performance carries 17% of the exam, is rated medium, and is estimated at 25 hours with hands-on and conceptual assessments. You will learn to utilize Cisco Prime infrastructure for design maps, monitoring wireless performance, client health and RRM dashboards while generating compliance and audit reports. The syllabus also covers integrating Mobility Services Engine and CMX Analytics to implement location-based services, analyze clean air spectrum data and design presence and social analytics. Focus on practical troubleshooting with Prime Client 360 views and interpreting analytics to optimize RF performance. Wireless site survey accounts for 15%, is rated medium, and has an estimated learning time of 20 hours with scenario-based assessments. Candidates learn predictive and active site survey methodologies, modeling coverage versus capacity and performing post-deployment validation surveys. The domain covers identifying RF interference and physical obstacles, determining AP placement and antenna selection, and analyzing attenuation factors of building materials to meet design goals. Learn to choose the right survey method for each environment and validate the design against real-world constraints and regulatory requirements. Wireless security is 15% of the exam, is rated hard, and recommends about 30 hours of study with hands-on and conceptual assessments. You will study secure access and authentication including 802.1x, ETLS, PEEP, certificate-based authentication and radius and AAA parameters, along with integrating Cisco Identity Services Engine for profiling and posture policies. The domain also covers secure guest access, management frame protection and BYOD onboarding flows. Additionally, learn wireless threat mitigation with WIPS deployment, rogue AP detection and containment, peer-to-peer blocking and how to analyze security reports and alerts. High availability and redundancy has a 14% weight, is rated medium, and lists about 20 hours of study with scenario-based assessments. Learn to design resilient wireless networks using controller high availability features such as stateful switchover, N+1 architectures, AP failover and priority settings. The domain also includes managing licensing in HA environments, designing redundant wired connectivity for controllers, implementing gateway redundancy with HSRP or VRRP and analyzing failover convergence times. Emphasize testing failover and designing for service continuity under realistic failure conditions. Wired infrastructure carries 12% of the exam, is rated easy, and has an estimated study time of 15 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment items. You will learn to optimize the underlying switching and routing environment to support wireless traffic, including PO and PO+ power planning and switch port tuning for access points. Study COS mapping from WMM to Layer 2 and Layer 3, VLAN and trunk designs for wireless traffic, multicast support with IGMP snooping and jumbo frame configurations. Also cover link aggregation for wireless controllers and optimizing wired paths to minimize latency and ensure reliable throughput for APs. That wraps up the syllabus overview for the Cisco. Designing the Cisco Cloud Exam and the exact weight of each domain. Use the estimated learning hours and difficulty ratings to prioritize study time and practice with the assessment types listed for each domain. Good luck with your preparation and visit Exam Sale for more focused study guides and practice strategies.